In this video I'm going to walk you through how to crop a video in Capcut. First of all, you open up your Capcut, you add the video you want to crop. This is the video I want to crop. In case you don't know how to do that, let me go back. You can see how it's done. Tap on new project, tap on the video you want to crop, tap on add to add it, and the next thing you do, you tap on the video in the timeline to highlight it, and then at the bottom here you scroll down with options until you get to this one that says transform. Tap on it, tap on resize. This is where you crop the video. Now we have different aspect ratios, you can use them for your cropping. Or you can do it the normal way. Tap on reset, it goes back to normal, and then let's say I want to remove all this. And that's it. So now when you play the video,